Paul Mafabi, Director Environmental Affairs, Ministry of Water and Environment, who presented the speech for the Minister of Water and Environment, says that farmers should plant traditional trees in trying to recover the forest cover because they are resistant to diseases and these can easily regenerate in the agroforestry industry. He warned farmers of drastic climate change impact if tree planting is not taken seriously.
The ones that actually provide the nutrients, either through their roots, through their leaves, they're the ones that actually provide the nutrients. So if you really want to ensure that we're going to have a sustained production, food production, then we need to integrate the trees with the other crops, the food crops, but also with livestock.
Dennis Garrity, keynote speaker and Drylands Ambassador UN Convention to combat desertification, advised farmers in many of the African countries to resort to reforestation because this is important for their crops to absorb nutrients and conserving the environment.
Countries are experiencing higher crop yields and more income at farm level by farmer-managed natural regeneration. And we have a very dynamic program now with many farmer champions who are busy sharing their experience with their neighbors and spreading the word about the use of farmer-managed natural regeneration, which farmers can practice without having to invest additional cash.
Clement Okia, scientist, country representative, World Agroforestry Center, says that as a center they are providing farmers with trees as part of regenerating the tree cover, but however they are challenged by forest fires during dry seasons that destroy the growing trees.
Farmers in their groups to collect seeds locally and grow these trees, then they can share them in their groups and they raise them to enhance, to supplement what is already growing naturally on their farms. To have land where people are communally grazing, it becomes difficult. The animals may damage the trees, so farmers have to protect those. So farmers have been working on bylaws that restrict the groups from grazing in those areas. The other challenge is that bushfires, in some of those areas during the dry season, people just burn the bushes, so those destroy the trees.
Gilbert Kamanga, National Director, World Vision Uganda, re-echoed that World Vision is working with a number of partners worldwide to attract funding as part of efforts in regenerating the environment that has been damaged by human activities.
I think that this type of approach, it allows the fields to regenerate as quickly as possible so that farmers are able to grow crops within the same field, but also they can cut the same trees for firewood. It is one of the models which World Vision uses.
As a result of climate change impacts on farming, the agriculture sector is resorting to tree planting in an attempt to address desertification and lost forest cover due to human activities. This story was compiled by Eric Wakabi, WBS TV, Kampala.